We got a bit bored sitting at home inside with all the wet weather, so we decided we'd come out for a walk. Amy saw somebody put up a video of Mermaid Pools, the actual the big waterfall where they jump off, and it was just a huge amount of water pouring over there, so we thought we'd go for an adventure and see if we can get there. We went for a bit of a walk yesterday, and one of the creeks that you have to cross was just an absolute raging river. So this is where we'd normally cross, and obviously can't because it's just underwater, can't jump across, it's running pretty quick. But you can see the trail over the other side there that we normally walk along. We've started on the other side of that creek or river, so we don't have to cross it, and we should be able to then walk all the way to the Mermaid Pools where they jump off. Not raining too much right now, and we've got a bit of a walking track. Haven't been on this one before, so we'll see how it goes. So this is the river that we're trying to avoid crossing. It's a little narrow bit here. We might see if we can cross up there somewhere. So trying to find somewhere where we can cross this, what is usually a tiny stream of water. You having to lay down, mate? Alright, so there's the rocks through there, which I think we can just step over. We just got to get through to there. Alright, follow the track. Alright. Got to cross that. We've got to cross that. That wasn't too bad. Hopefully that's the biggest bit of water that we're going to have to cross over. It's not really sure where to go from here because we haven't done this track. Okay, we're back on track. We're on the usual walking path now. Aston's having a ball walking through the puddles as much as possible.
Graceful walking down the rocks and stuff.
Are you being graceful?
Nope.
Well then, no, I'm not. Okay, we've made it to, I guess what they call Mermaid Pools, the big hole, and we're expecting not to see a big hole, but a huge, big, like puddle, big body of water. So we're about to see it down here in a sec. Wow. My goodness. That is just a huge amount of water. Normally it's just a trickle. We've probably got, I'll see if I can drop a photo or a video in of what it normally looks like. Wow. There's just so much water here. This here is normally just a tiny waterfall. Amazing how much water is running through here.